unlock the secrets of Serbia with me. I will share what makes this charming country so uniquely special. What truly sets Serbia apart? Welcome back, my adventurers. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to a country that has captivated hearts for centuries. Serbia isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Before I discuss the main thing that distinguishes Serbs, let's take a moment to highlight a few essential experiences you shouldn't overlook when visiting the stunning country. Cascading waterfalls are just a piece of the bigger picture. Whether you are an adrenaline junkie or a nature enthusiast, Serbia offers endless opportunities for the adventure. Then no journey is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Serbian culinary delights are the feast for the senses, from mouth-watering grilled meat to savor pastries and delectable desserts. Some of my favorite food is cevapi, then ajvar, then pljeskavica, and gibanica, punjena paprika, burek, kiseli kupus, and the drink rakija. If you don't know what is rakija, just see the link below that leads you to my another video that I made just about rakija. Also, you can visit ethno-villages like Drvengrad, that's an ethno-village built by filmmaker Emir Kusturica, showcasing traditional Serbian architecture and culture. Then you can explore ancient sites like Belgrade Fortress and Kalemegdan Park in the capital city, or explore Niš Fortress and the Roman complex of Gamzigrad. Experience the lively atmosphere of Skadarlija in Belgrade, known for its cobblestone streets, art galleries, and traditional Serbian restaurants. I would not miss also festivals and events. One of the famous ones is Exit Festival in Novi Sad. There is plenty of spa and wellness retreats, or you can just take a cruise on the Danube River, exploring its picturesque landscape and charming river towns. After encountering the captivating sights and experience that Serbia has to offer, I want to highlight a source of pride for our Serbs. Something you would undoubtedly want to experience if you get the opportunity. Maintaining traditional across centuries, even in this contemporary era, is a distinctive characteristic that sets Serbs apart. Another source of strength lies in the passion and commitment we show towards our friends and the people we care about. So what is it about? We called it krštenje. It's associated with the Christian sacrament of baptism. Baptism is a religious ritual commonly practiced in the various Christian denominations. It is considered as a fundamental rite of initiation and a symbol of cleansing and rebirth. During the baptism ceremony, a person, often an infant, which is not always the case, is immersed in water or has water poured over them, symbolizing purification and the washing away of sins. In Christian theology, baptism is seen as a means of initiation into the Christian faith and a public declaration of one commitment to follow Christ. The term krštenje specially refers to this practice in the context of Serbian Orthodox Church, where it holds significant religious and cultural importance. The ceremony typically involves the blessing of water, prayers, and anointing of the person being baptized with holy oil. It's worth noting that the baptism ceremonies and tradition can vary among different Christian denominations and cultural contexts. The tradition of krštenje remains significant in numerous Serbian Orthodox families, where having family and close friends participate in the ceremony is crucial for sharing in life's most important event. For those unfamiliar with such ceremonies or lacking knowledge about krštenje, it presents an intriguing opportunity to learn and experience something new, opening their eyes to more inspirational aspects of life. Moreover, many priests are fluent in English, offering a better understanding of the sacred ceremony and its importance in our lives. The entire ceremony was profoundly emotional, and words can hardly capture the intensity of those feelings. The entire day unfolded flawlessly, etching memories that will last a lifetime. It was a significant step forward for my closest family, my daughter and my partner, allowing them to partake in something of immense importance to me.
We would like to learn some words.
Yeah.
Oh mercy me, oh mercy mine. Down on my knees, I got my arms stretched to the sky. Trouble to the left of me, sorrow to the right. Can you hear me, Lord, and can you lead me to the light? I lift my voice, I call your name, as I toil down in this valley of strife and pain. I've been over backwards, paid it all forwards, don't have a doubt my name, and my debt to you could never be repaid. And the wave starts to break, and the ice and snow melts away. When the tears we've cried have all run dry, we find the rainbows in. We'll be walking in the sunshine with him. Turn away, Lord, hear my cries. I need you to make it my bed